Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is what you have been waiting for. Robert and Joe, we're back at Epic Explorers. Aren't we, Joe?
Hell yeah.
Unfortunately,
Chop Chop.
where we going, Joe?
The Chop Chop house.
We're going to the Chop Chop house in Boise, Idaho. And the backstory about it. Oh shit, it's right here. Fuck. It's right here, ladies and gentlemen. So the backstory behind it is there's 3 people that lived here. One person got killed by the 2 other people because reported of stolen guns. But we're gonna try to get in right now. Is that the spot that you're talking about?
I don't know.
Huh?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, well, we're gonna try to get in. There's a certain spot to get in, so stay tuned. It's right here. Bro, look. It's right here. It's right here. You have to get up this. You up first, okay? I gotta help Joel because he has a broken hand. Shows you broken hand. Broken hand. Shh. Into the Chop Chop house we go. Hold this, hold this. Help me up, help me up. Okay, we're up here, boys. He said,
I can't. She's scared.
oh shit. Damn, this shit's blocked off. I think we gotta go that way. It's not sturdy, right? Right there, step right there. What the fuck? Everything's blocked off, dude. What the fuck? How do we get in? It's locked. It's locked. We're gonna try to get it right now. Oh shit. That's the way in.
I ain't going first.
Huh?
I ain't going first. I ain't going first.
What? Fuck.
That's what he did.
Oh.
She killed that nigga in there.
They killed the dude in the basement. Fuck. Dude, we're coming in the nighttime. Hey, come on, let's go in together. Come on, let's go in together at the same time. I'll be right behind you, I swear to God. I'll be right behind you, I swear to God. Dude. I'll be right behind you, come on. Stay right here, come on. I'll come in right behind you, come on. I swear. There's nothing in there, look. Come on, I'll come in right there behind you, I swear. I'll hold you, I'll hold your sweater. Shit, we gotta be quiet, we gotta be quiet. Go. I got the light, go. But there's nothing to the left. I got a camera, there's nothing to the left. We're in the chop house. Go, go. Go, go. I'm in. Okay, there's nothing over here. Where's your light at? Put that shit on. This nigga doesn't have his light on. But we had to enter through there. He said that he didn't want to enter because this is where they did it. I don't know how they... So you're telling me they did that shit like right over here, huh? Damn. Well, check it out. We're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna do this thing. Joseph, you're gonna lead us and I'm gonna watch our back. And I got the camera, I got the light and the camera.
You're going first.
Here, I gotta do. Here, take those batteries out. Hold the camera. Oh, I brought the wrong batteries. I brought the wrong side batteries. Wait, come on. Okay, there's a bunch of jars right here. Damn, this is definitely from them too. Who the fuck would just bring jars? What the? There's a bike.
It's a what?
There's a bike. Yo. We'll see. It doesn't matter. Even if there is. Let me chill. Just be like, we're making content.
I went in first last time. You gotta go first.
What? No. I'm right behind. No, fuck that. Yeah, fuck that shit. This man ain't gonna do it. I got the camera, man. I gotta get the clips. The chop. Okay, so basically they came downstairs, they killed him, and they went upstairs, and then basically they shot him down here. He ran out probably through there or something like that, and went to a neighbor's house. But we'll see. I mean, they say it's haunted and whatnot. Joseph, come on. Way to go. Make our way upstairs. It's not even haunted. Josue says that he was here at nighttime. Yeah, if there's someone here, we'll just be like, we're making content, bro. Come on. I'm right behind you. I'm right behind you right here.
You're being a pussy, bro.
Yes, I am, because I'm scared. Joe's going. Joe, come on. Dude, I gotta watch down here. You never fucking know. What's going on? Looks like there's a bathroom right here. Nothing else. We're looking through stuff. Hey, Joe, come on. Hey. Look over here. Look that way. Fuck that shit. We're not touching shit. It's a crime scene. Yeah, we're here touching shit. Rope gambling. Suspension systems. Neil over here looking at suspensions. Dude, are we gonna go or not? Huh? No clue. There's hella. You can speak up, by the way. Hey, let's walk this way. Look over here. I just walked in there. Look up there. I just walked up there in there. Yeah. What? Hey, switch spots. Let me see. Switch spots. You know, we can speak up now, right? Because we're not outside. Medina Dawn. James Howell. Damn, like, I wonder if these were people, like, there's so many pictures of people. I mean, James Howell. I don't know if that's somebody that lived here. I'm not sure. Like, damn, like all this stuff. Holy crap, man! All these photos. I thought maybe it was in the. What the hell was that? Oh. I don't know, man. There's a fire department costume over here. Look, there's a fire department uniform over here. Right here. It's like a jacket. Like an old school one. Maybe it might be like a rain jacket. I don't know. Yeah, no, I saw that. When was this from? It tells you the year. Huh? I'm not trying to. I'm trying to find the year on this. Bro, I can't find that fucking year. I think it just says 2021, but this happened in 1987. In 1987, that's when everything went down. Damn, there's just so much old school stuff, like, everywhere, man. Go ahead, drop a like and a comment right now. It's just scaring the shit out of us, so. See what's going on. Just trying to get some content in here. Damn, look at the trophies and like. That's the pinball machine that Jose was talking about. Look. Well, yeah, but it's all stuff like it's owned somebody. You know what I'm saying? Like somebody owns all this stuff. That's literally Wilder boots right there. Wilder firefighter boots. This shit's cool though. Huh?
Said me where the guns at.
Huh?
Said me where the guns at.
Me where the guns at?
Yeah, where the guns at.
Well, obviously, this obviously was a crime scene at one time. What's this?
Safety belt.
Damn, like they're really about some stuff.
Yeah, if he's on the truck.
What's this? This is. Yeah, what do you have to say to the chat right now, or the viewers, people that are watching this, Joe?
This shit's crazy.
You said this shit's crazy.
Pop some shit in here. It's like the.
I wonder if this light works.
It don't really no power.
No power, obviously. Little campfire. I mean, bro. I mean, at one time this place probably looked so nice. I can definitely tell like a little bit smaller, maybe, but it's definitely really nice. What's in here? Just regular stuff. Probably was maybe a closet or some storage room or something. There's a bathroom over there, some office. This definitely looked like a living dining room area. It's a 2-story house, so we're going up to the 2nd floor now. What's up there?
It's like a toy truck, dude.
A toy truck?
Or, yeah.
And there's like helmets and shit. But this hasn't changed in a while, probably, man. Damn. Some old ass clothes. Look. Like really old ass clothes. You could just tell that people, like, it was from back in the day, you know? 1900s, you know? Man, this is crazy. This is just sitting in Boise. Well, people definitely live here. Possibly. That's definitely probably some stuff. I'm not gonna touch something because there's probably people that do live here. There's a bunch of pictures right here. I don't know if it's from the people that live here right now. Some squatters that come in and out. Old school TV. You don't see those anymore at all. Like zilch. This is what you see nowadays, but better. But holy moly, man! Like people probably do come in and out of here. Hey, let's go right here. There's 2 rooms right here. Hey, check it out. Look at this. James Howell. That ring doesn't ring a bell at all. Damn. Hot sauce. This stuff looks old as fuck. Hey, you hear those sirens? You hear those sirens? In the distance? Might be quiet for a second. You hear those sirens? Honestly, I really don't think you'd get in trouble for being here. These hands meant to hold. See, like, I think people do come in and out of here. Like, this is a nice, somewhat mattress if you wanted to come in and out of here. These cigarettes don't look like they've been... What am I supposed to do? Is 0 lights at all so we don't see shit? We can't do that. I mean, I need to be able to see everything. Screw that. I'm not really touching anything either. I mean, I'll touch almost this side. James Howell. James Howell lived here somewhere. Yeah, see, people do live here. Fucking condoms on the ground and shit.
Jewelry?
Yeah, I think some girl has been in here recently.
This stuff looks fresh.
That shit's getting closer.
It's emergency responder lights too. We're good. I saw a cop going
You sure? I mean, I know what it sounds like, but still. Oh, in here, it's just a plain old kitchen. It looks so nasty in here. Another one over here, yeah. There's a very distinct smell. Pre-workout. Hell yeah. They getting down in here. Hey, Joe, we haven't went over here yet. But yeah, all the viewers, you know, we're new here. We're gonna go do a lot of videos in Boise, Nampa, Caldwell, all around Idaho, and we're just gonna get to know all these places, and you know, maybe get a couple more people to come at different times. But the backstory of this place, these people lived here, the 3 people, and there were 3 guys. 2 of them shot the one guy, and they were like 10 years, 12 years older than him. Oh, we haven't went over here yet. And basically what happened, guys, is that I heard he was threatened for having some type of, like, stealing some type of gun or something, but honestly, you never know with that. Like, I don't know. He might have not. I don't know if there's any proof, but they shot him. He ended up running to one of the neighbors' houses, or possibly 2 of them, and then knocking on their doors. They didn't do anything. They called the police. That's all they did. This car's driving in and out of here. Oh, fuck. But the neighbors came out and seen that, like, just reported that he was pounding on the door. They saw the next day. The cops ended up not showing up at all. They didn't show up at all. The next day they ended up showing up because there was reports of blood on screen doors of the neighbors' houses. So they showed up and then found all the dead body parts chopped up somewhere between Idaho and Oregon's borders. To me, that is kind of wild, especially if that's your friend. Like, that must have been going through something, or I don't know, man. That's wild to me. Hitachi. Little Corvette. Damn, there's hella drill guns. Hey, remember when we seen all those nails outside?
Yeah.
That's where they came from. Dang, is that a coincidence?
Dude, there's so much shit.
What do you have to say, Joe? Here, take the camera real quick. What do you have to say?
This shit's like crazy, bro. I'm speechless. There's like so much shit in here. It's like, what the fuck?
What do you have to say about the story and everything? Like,
it's creepy as fuck, you know? I thought it was gonna be scarier in here, honestly.
honestly, I thought it was gonna be, like, just because it's Idaho, a lot of stuff happening, I thought it was gonna be a little bit more, you know, sissified, maybe, like, you know, not as intense as, you know, LA or some big city. There's reports that this is haunted. If this video hits 500 likes, how many likes to bring a Ouija board in here? Wait, hey, look at the camera.
10,000.
10,000? No. Be reasonable. We just started. Come on. Hey, look at the camera.
1,000.
I'd say 500. 500.
1,000.
Give him a chance. 500. Okay, chat. 500 likes, and we will bring a Ouija board to this house. There was reports that it's haunted because of the fact that somebody died here, and they chopped his body parts up. And what bathroom do you think? Where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom at? Let's find it. They said that they chopped him up in the bathroom. You think it was the bathroom downstairs that we already walked by?
I think so, yeah.
Damn. What the hell is that? Yo, is that what I think it is?
Nah, I think what you think it is.
Okay.
Dirty nigga.
No, because look at it, like, ugh. I don't know what that is. It smells really nasty, dude. What happened? I know, I looked in there.
Nasty.
I'm going.
Somebody's trap house.
You can definitely throw a cape back in here. You definitely throw a cape back in here. Bro, I bet you this was such a nice house. Like I said, though, like, at one point, you know what I'm saying, Joe? I definitely think that at one point this was a very nice house. Like, tell me, this is a chandelier. This is a campfire, so this must have had been nice. Like, they must have had something over here, like a little setup, obviously. You know, I don't know what the fuck that. What do you think that would have been, Joe? There's nothing right there. What was that? You heard that? What was that? What the hell was it? Dude, look at the doors. We didn't even see that at first. Look at the doors. Joe, look at this. What the hell? Guys, look at this. It's boarded. Like, even if something were to happen, we couldn't get through. Look at all these nails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like, there's 7+ nails in each door. What the hell, man? Like, I don't even want to touch that. Ugh. Man, I hope we start doing better. If we start blowing up, Joe, where'd you go? Oh, okay. I was about to freak out. I was about to say, he disappeared on me. The chat, yeah. I was gonna say, if this video or any of our videos, or maybe our follow count, hits up to 100, I would love to go down to the Idaho City mine with maybe 3 to 5 people. And is it 100% haunted? You can stay the night there. And, we would pick a vote. See if we can sneak in, or we can sit there and buy a ticket, chill for the night. But I think it'd be more intense if we sat there and just snuck in. That'd be a lot better. I didn't realize how many broken windows there are. God damn, there's so much stuff on the ground. Like, I'm tripping over boxes and everything. Look at Joseph over here looking at suspension sets.
Like, why is this shit here?
Well, I think we might wrap it up. Think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're going to head out of here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time.
Till next time.
Peace out from Epic Explorers. Deuces.